One evening, as the gentle twilight settled in, Lila sat by her bedroom window, gazing at the grey clouds rolling across the sky. "Mummy," she asked softly, "why does it rain?" Mummy smiled and sat beside her. "Let's imagine together," she whispered. Lila closed her eyes, and soon they were walking through a big green meadow under a sky filled with fluffy white clouds. "Rain begins with the sun," Mommy explained. "The warm sun shines down and warms rivers, lakes, and oceans. That makes the water rise into the air as something called vapor." In her mind, Lila saw sparkly drops of water dancing up toward the sky like tiny magical balloons. Higher and higher they floated until they became part of soft, puffy clouds. "Then what happens?" Lila asked, her eyes shining. "The clouds get heavier," said Mummy gently. "All those tiny drops gather together until they're too heavy to stay up." In Lila's imagination, the clouds looked full and round, almost ready to burst. And then, drop by drop, the rain began to fall. Lila pictured the raindrops falling gently onto flowers, trees, and the thirsty earth. "The rain gives plants a drink and fills rivers and lakes again," Mommy explained. Lila smiled. "So it's like a circle?" "Exactly," Mommy nodded. "It's called the water cycle. The sun helps water rise, clouds hold it, and then rain brings it back down." Lila felt amazed by how everything worked together. Back in her cozy room, Lila listened to the soft patter of real raindrops on her window. "Good night, little raindrops," as she whispered, curling under her blanket. And as the rain kept falling outside, Lila drifted off to sleep, dreaming of clouds and sunshine working hand in hand.